You've stayed on top of watering. You've found the perfect spot with the right amount of light, and maybe you've even started fertilizing your new plant. It's doing so well that it has outgrown its pot. Now what? The best repotting season for houseplants is spring, when growth is stimulated and in full force. However, if your plant is in trouble, don't wait. Before jumping into repotting, it's essential to identify your specific plant's repotting preferences. Some plants, such as Sansevieria, do not want to be repotted too often and prefer to be root-bound in a small pot. Here are some ways to identify if your houseplant is in need of a repot. Does the soil dry out faster than usual? This may mean the roots have overtaken the soil and there is not enough soil left to sustain the plant. You may see roots growing through the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot or some growing from the top of the soil. Your plant may also appear to be wilting. Once you notice any of these changes, gently take your plant out of its pot and examine the soil to root ratio. Now that you've confirmed that your plant indeed needs repotting, find a good space such as a table, a tray, or a saucer large enough for the job. Choose the correct soil. We're talking strictly tropicals in this video, so in this case, make sure you're using basic potting or container soil. We recommend organic mechanics potting soil, which we carry in the shop. When choosing your new larger pot, only go up one size. It's very important not to give the roots too much soil. This can cause root rot since the soil will take even longer to dry out. You have the right soil and the perfect size container to up pot to. Now, take the plant from its original container. Gently break up the soil a bit so your plant can have enough room to adjust to its new home. Put some soil in the bottom of your new pot, enough to create a bed for your plant to be level and to sit high enough so that the top of the soil is just under the top of the pot. Gently fill in the soil, making sure that there are no air pockets. Dust off your new pot with a cloth, your hand, or if you want to get fancy, a paintbrush. Welcome to your brand new home, planty. Live long and prosper.